104. Friday night, clear. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service simulcast on the radio station EAS 57 at 162.55 megahertz from Fairplay in El Dorado County and on radio station WWS 67 at 162.40 megahertz from Wolf Mountain.